Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous lecture, we will study about the organometallic and especially organo-magnesium compounds. Now we will study the reactivity of Grignard reagent. Due to the excessive electronegativity of magnesium as compared to lithium, they are less reactive. Magnesium इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव होने की वजह से लीस्ट रिएक्टिव होता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू लिथियम. सो ऑर्गेनोमैग्नीशियम की रिएक्टिविटी कम होगी एज़ कम्पेयर टू ऑर्गेनोलिथियम कंपाउंड्स. The reason behind this logic is that the bond between the carbon and lithium is highly polarized than the organomagnesium compound. The electropositivity of magnesium metal is high. Now, what is the electropositivity? Electropositivity is the tendency of an atom to donate electrons and form positively charged cations. एटम की एबिलिटी जिसकी वजह से वो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को डोनेट करता है और पॉजिटिव चार्ज यानी कैटाइंस बनाता है. इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड मॉइस्चर ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट बिकम डिप्लोमेटिक. यानी कि ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट जो है वो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑक्सीजन और मॉइस्चर दोनों की प्रेजेंस में रिएक्ट करता है. दीज आर द कन्वीनियंट सोर्स ऑफ सिंथेटिक इंटरमीडिएट्स. सिंथेटिक इंटरमीडिएट्स वो होते हैं जो कि केमिकल रिएक्शन के दौरान प्रोड्यूस होते हैं बट दे आर नॉट एक्ट एज अ फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. एजेंट जो है वो इस तरह के सिंथेटिक प्रोडक्ट्स को प्रोड्यूस करने में हेल्प आउट करता है. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक कार्बन एनाइंस आर आल्सो ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम ग्रिग्नार्ड reagents. Formaldehyde and Grignard reagent react with one another and form primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and so on. By heading towards the reactions of Grignard reagent, firstly we will understand the polarity of Grignard reagent. A Grignard reagent has a very polar carbon-magnesium bond in which carbon atom has partial negative charge and metal atom has partial positive charge. उनके कार्बन पे नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा और वो एक्ट करेगा एज अ इलेक्ट्रोफाइल और मैग्नीशियम पे जो है पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा. वी विल स्टडी दैट हाउ द रिएक्शंस विल टेक प्लेस. Grignard reagents react rapidly with the acidic hydrogen atom in the molecules such as alcohol and water to produce alkane. हम लोग रिएक्शन शो जो नीचे किया हुआ है उसको अंडरस्टैंड करें. We will take an alkyl halide and react with magnesium in the presence of ether solvent. alkyl halide में जो अल्काइल है उस पर कार्बन नेगेटिव यानी कि उसका कार्बन जो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल के तौर पे एक्ट करता है और मैग्नीशियम जो है वो इंसर्ट होगा. RMgX यानी कि ग्रिग्नार्ड रेजेंट फॉर्म होगा. रेजेंट बन जाएगा तो मैग्नीशियम पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज और अल्काइल ग्रुप पे नेगेटिव आएगा. देन वाटर रिएक्ट करेगा और वाटर का जो H पॉजिटिव होगा वो कार्बोनाइल कार्बन के साथ अटैक करेगा और कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा अल्केन्स में. नेक्स्ट इज द रिएक्शन ऑफ ग्रिग्नार्ड reagents in which we obtain an alkane. Alkane can be prepared by Grignard reagents. Alcohols like primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols are also prepared from Grignard reagents. These can be used as intermediate in many reactions for the synthesis of synthetic products. Like Grignard reagent जो है वो as a synthetic intermediate के तौर पे एक्ट करता है और बहुत से reactions में utilize होता है. We show the reaction that are given below here. Now this is the reaction of alkyl magnesium halide with water and form alkane. In this reaction, CH3CH2 MgBr. This will act as alkyl magnesium halide. It reacts with water and form alkane. In this reaction, CH2 acts as an electrophile. CH2 acts as an electrophile. It has negative charge, while magnesium has positive charge. Now the water will convert into H positive and OH negative ion. This H positive will react with the electrophile carbon and form CH3CH3 which is alkane, and this hydroxide ion will react with the MgBr and form MgOH-Br. Now in the second reaction, magnesium bromide, as I already know that magnesium has positive charge and this carbon will have negative charge. This negative carbon will attack on the carbonyl carbon and this bond shift to oxygen and oxygen got negative charge. In the second step, hydrogen water will react and convert into its ionizable form H positive and OH negative. This H positive will react with the OH negative and form OH, and this OH will react with the magnesium bromide and MgBr. Now next is the step of formation of cycloalkanes. The cycloalkanes are formed by the treatment of cyclobutyl magnesium bromide with water. First we take a cyclobutyl bromide and we will react it with magnesium. This carbon magnesium will insert in between these and form cyclobutyl magnesium bromide. Then magnesium will got positive charge and this carbon will act as an electrophile and it has negative charge. Then water will react similarly in the previous ways, H positive and OH negative. This H positive will react with this electrophile carbon and form cyclobutane, and this OH will react with the magnesium bromide. Now the previous method is basically used for the replacement of a halogen with hydrogen in alkyl halides. Like this is the alkyl halide RX. It acts as an alkyl halide and this halide will replace with the hydrogen. And how it will replace? It will react firstly with the magnesium and magnesium will insert in between the alkyl halide. Then it will form alkyl magnesium halide and this alkyl magnesium halide on treatment with water form the RH. Now for the preparation of primary alcohol, we react Grignard reagent with half oxygen molecule. RMgX, it is an Grignard reagent. It will react with the half oxygen molecule and form ROMgX. This oxygen molecule will insert between the RMg bond and it will form ROMgX. Then ROMgX will treat with the water molecule and H positive, OH negative. This H positive will react with the RO negative and this OH will react with the MgX. It will form MgOX and this hydrogen on reacting with RO form alcohol. Alcohol may be primary alcohol and secondary and tertiary. It will depend upon the R group. If alkyl group is different, it will form either as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. For the preparation of secondary alcohols, we will take an acetaldehyde that react with the Grignard reagent and after hydrolysis it will form secondary alcohol. First of all, we will take an acetaldehyde which is written as CH3, C double bond O and H. In this Grignard reagent, the CH3 carbon will act as an electrophile and it has negative charge while magnesium has positive charge. This negative charge will attack on carbonyl carbon and this will shift on the oxygen. It will gain CH3, CO negative and hydrogen. Now what happened? This Mg positive iodide will act on this negative oxygen and it will form CH3, CO, Mg, I and hydrogen. Like this product, this one. Now this will written as CH3, C double bond O, CO, MgI, H and this will CH3. Now after hydrolysis, H positive and OH negative. This will positive attack on this oxygen and MgI will be removed like that and this hydrogen will attach on this. This will form secondary alcohol. For the preparation of tertiary alcohols, we take an acetone. It will react with the Grignard reagent and after hydrolysis it will form tertiary alcohol. Like this acetone, CH3MgI, CH3 will attack on this carbon and this will shift onto oxygen and Mg positive I will attack on the oxygen like that. This double bond electron will shift on the oxygen. Oxygen got negative, then MgI positive will attack on the oxygen and form this OMg. And this CH3 which is act as an electrophile will attack on this carbon and get attached at this side. After the hydrolysis, After the hydrolysis, like H and OH negative, H positive, this H positive will attack on this oxygen, hydrogen will attach on O and form OH, and this OH will attack with the magnesium positive and form MgOH. Now for the preparation of steel bean, we will take benzyl magnesium bromide and benzaldehyde. In benzyl magnesium bromide, there is an electrophile in which carbon have negative charge. It will donate its electron pair to the carbonyl carbon, and this oxygen double bond will shift to the oxygen, and oxygen got negative charge like this. Now in this negative charge, magnesium bromide will be attached and it will form O negative Mg positive Br. After the hydrolysis, H positive will attach on this negative oxygen and form OH. Now this lone pair of oxygen will react with the HCl and form OH2 positive. OH positive, which is not stable, then it will remove as minus H2O. Water will be released. Now after the removal of water, they will create a positive charge. To stabilize this compound, hydrogen gives its electron pair to this positive charge and form double bond, the final product which we call stabiline.